Job Contacts, formerly known as Contacts Technical Recruitment, was set up by Karen McHugh in 2001, an engineer passionate about offering quality opportunities to the job seeker and an intelligent service to the client. Job Contacts has successfully operated as a market leader and technical specialist within the construction, engineering, mining, oil and gas, pharmaceutical, biotech, energy and manufacturing sectors worldwide for over 10 years. During this time, we have expanded our network across 5 continents. In 2005, we began recruiting for the Australian market, and in 2011, we set up our first strategic partnership in Western Australia. In March 2010, we opened our Shanghai office to strengthen our presence in the rapidly expanding Chinese market for highly skilled professionals. Job Contacts has built its reputation on its consultative approach. Our understanding of the industries and the businesses and individuals within these industries enables us to facilitate the perfect match between client and job seeker. From global multinationals to SMEs, Job Contacts has become a trusted recruitment partner. Our commitment to offering a customised service, honesty and integrity is what makes Job Contacts unique in the marketplace.